Hello guys, in this video we'll learn and implement UDP service using Rust. So basically UDP offers a connectionless and lightweight communication mechanism, making it ideal for scenarios when speed is crucial and data loss is acceptable. For example, video streaming, gaming and so on. So let's get started. Now today we don't need any additional dependencies, so let's get right into it. So we'll just add a UDP socket and bend it 0.0.0 4000 localhost 4000, and we'll just print server listening on, and here we'll add socket local address unwrap. So now we'll just add code to receive some data from the source or from the client and then respond with some data from the server. So we'll just say let mutable buffer 01024 loop, and then we'll just say let size source socket dot receive from and mutable buffer. So whatever we receive, we fill it in the buffer, and we'll just say let request string from uft loosey and buffer septal size, and then we'll just print saying received from, so request and source. Let response hello from server socket dot send to, and then we'll send some data back. So we'll just say response dot as bytes to source dot unwrap. So that's pretty much it what we want to develop today. Just to give a recap, we are exposing a port which is 4000, and whatever we get there we just print it, and then the source or the client which send us some data, we are sending some response from the server as well. Now let's go ahead and test it. So open your terminal, and here we'll just do cargo run quite. So it's up and running, and another terminal window will test it, because most of the API testing tool like Postman and Samonia doesn't support UDP communication, or maybe in the latest version they do by the time you are watching this video, but as of today they don't. So let's use through the terminal. So we'll just say echo -n and whatever we want to send. So I'm just sending first of all hello from client side, and type and c u for you, and 127.0.0.1 and port, so 4000. There you go, we receive hello from server. And if we go on server side, there you go, received hello from client side, which we sent hello from client side, and this is the address. Now let's open another one, and we'll just do echo -n instead of hello from server. Now we write maybe print abc, I don't know, whatever you want to send, and c and 127.0.0.1 port 4000 hello from server, and there you go. So that's how we can build a very basic use case of UDP service. In the future videos we'll build more complex use cases, for example video streaming and so on. So I need you guys to go through this video, and if you understand completely, just like the video, share with your friends, and I'll catch you guys in more exciting and challenging videos in the future. So that's it. Thank you.